What's the meaning of Andrew Mellon? Andrew Mellon. Andrew Mellon. Andrew Mellon. Andrew Mellon. Andrew Mellon.
Andrew Mellon was an American banker, businessman, and philanthropist who lived from 1855 to 1937. He served as the United States Secretary of the Treasury from 1921 to 1932. Mellon played a prominent role in shaping the economic policies of the United States during the 1920s and is considered to be one of the most significant figures in American business and finance history. As a philanthropist, Mellon donated many of his personal collections to museums and art galleries, including the National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C.